Hi, my name is Travis Robertson. I am in second period drafting, and this is my um, print that I did. It it holds your phone like this, so you can stand it up or lay it down. Man, these are the questions. Uh, I had my friend Caden Burkhart do them or test it. Um, does the angle work? It needs to be improved. The angle. Um, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create more space back here and then have it angled that way. Um, so yeah, and then I need to make it amplify sound more. Um, it's not very loud, but it holds it well. It's pretty compact. He liked how compact it was. He liked how it can stand up and lay down. But he said I need to create more screen space because right here it cuts off the screen. So I need to fix that. And it's pretty solid. It doesn't wobble. It's pretty sturdy. Um, the phone doesn't fall out too, so that's pretty good. And he liked the overall design of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, I think yeah, I want to create it so I can do like this, so it's like that, more angled in there. And I need to make the hole bigger so I can amplify sound more down in here. But yeah, I think that's it.